right, let's get it. Good luck, everybody. Last break of the night. All right, what's going down, everybody? It's Conrad from MojoBreak.com here on Saturday, March 9, 2019, doing the last break of the night. This is our NBA 20-box Flawless Sonic Boom Mixer, random team style. We just drew your teams, and there are no trades. D-Ball got the Bucks, John B. Cavaliers, Splash Nuggets, YU with the Rockets, Leach with the Spurs, Fong with the Pacers, Dankin Hawks, Ron with the Sixers, Allen with the Nets Heat, John B with the Grizz, A. Pastor Mavericks, John B Suns, Lee 45 Magic, Bronno Brandon with the Hornets Raptors, Bakuya with the Blazers Wizards, B. Paul with the Knicks, Zach M. Timberwolves, D.A. Lopez Celtics, Evan with the Thunder Pelicans, S. Cod with the Kings, Masabe with the Clippers Points, John B. Jazz, A. Pastor Lakers, Evan Pistons, Josh K. Warriors, and A. Pastor with the Chicago Bulls. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. All right, everything on the table right there. 20 box. Let's go. Flawless is in the back. That big white box in the back is the Flawless. Start off with some Select, since we got 6 boxes of those. A half case of Select coming from a sealed case. Good luck, everybody. And everything will ship in this break. All cards will ship. You'll get all your base. I will do a hit recap for you guys, as always, at the end of the break in a separate video. Good luck, out. Zeke, you saw that Galactic we just hit? It's actually one of my proudest hits ever. I gotta admit. That Luka Galactic is one of my proudest hits ever. And we got a gold rookie patch auto in this box. I don't know who it is, but I know it's a gold RPA. Might be tie-dye, but I think it's gold. All right, let's start off with a boom, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna save that one towards for the second stack. Thaddeus Young, red prism die cut. 49 to 175. AB to the Raiders. Let's go. All AB cards henceforth are graded 7.0 on the Conrad grading scale. Silver Jaren Jackson for the Grizzlies. Jaren Jackson silver. Tricolor Mikal Bridges and Robert Williams tricolor. Silver Westman. Yeah, that Galactic Luka is one of my proudest pulls ever. Just because, man, I've opened up so much Revolution over the years and never hit a big rookie Galactic. Never. Until tonight. All right, Zaire Smith, 82 of 99. Purple Prism rookie jersey, Zaire Smith for Philly. Got Sixers on the board. That is actually the first official hit of the break. Sixers and Ron. Ron with the first hit. We have a Scope rookie of Jalen Brunson. Scope rookie for the Dallas Mavericks. And gold rookie patch auto Mikal Bridges. Whew. Sick gold mojo for the Suns. 3 colors in the patch. Gold prism rookie patch auto. Congrats, Suns. Nice way to get on the board. John B. Gold. It's looking like it's going to fit a 180. I mean, yeah. It's true. Mikal Bridges. We do. It's weird. It is weird. And Calvin Murphy, 147 to 149 veteran jersey auto for the Rockets on the board. Calvin Murphy. I know. Now, you know what? Now I'm actually sad that I didn't go to that NBA rookie event last year. We had the opportunity, but I decided not to go last year because I don't know. I guess I just wasn't feeling it, but I should have went. While you with the Rockets, Calvin Murphy. And case hit Zebra, all in the same box. Let's go. Jason Tatum. Very nice. Congrats, Celtics. Jason Tatum, Zebra Prism, super short print, SP. Tatum. David with the Celtics. Blue Prism of Kawhi Leonard to 299, and white Prism parallel Terry Rozier to 149 for Boston. It really would be, but I need a box real quick for my face. It really would be. All right, let's do. Maybe I should mix it up, or we can just keep going with select. Maybe I'll do a select and something else, select and something else, select and something else. Yeah, let's do that. All right, let's do one of these fast breaks. Let's do the fast break Prism first. Actually, was quite jealous that Layton hit the Nebula Prism Doncic. I was like, I thought that was gonna be me. Third and fifth, nice. Not too bad. I like it. I like it a lot. Las Vegas Raiders, let's go. Las Vegas Raiders, let's go. All right, Purple Prism, Reggie Jackson for the Pistons, 67/75. Kyrie Thomas. Red Prism rookie, Okaji for the T-Wolves to 125. Luck of the Lottery, Trey Young, silver. Or fast break, not a silver. Jason Tatum. Blue Prism of Matthew Dellavedova to 120 or 175. As they should be, Evan, as they should be. Justice Winslow got the Heat on the board, Miami Heat. Justice Winslow, fast break auto. All right, and that's the Heat. Heat Allen. Because DC is the GOAT. Blue Prism to 175, Marshawn Brooks for the Grizzlies. Lime green. This is gonna be number to 5. J.R. Smith. J.R. I didn't know. We didn't have possession. 1 of 5. Lime green for the Cavaliers. All day Embiid. Blue to 175, Oladipo, Pacers. All day Embiid. 30 guaranteed. How much for Super Bowl odds on the Raiders? I'm gonna put 100 down right now. I'm gonna do the same thing for the Oakland A's this year. I'm gonna be a millionaire. The Oakland A's win the World Series off a $50 bet. Second box is Select. Red Prism Isaiah Thomas to 175. Parlay them together. Oh man, the odds of that is crazy. Nah, because I'll be sad if one does it and the other doesn't. That's a tough parlay to lose. Blazers with the vet auto Clifford Robinson 118 to 199 in flight. Clifford Robinson in flight for the Blazers. Can you imagine? Like I'll be happy if one of the two wins the Super Bowl, but I'll be super sad because yeah. But I really would be a millionaire if you parlayed that though. Blazers. Bakuya, Blazers Wizards combo. Yeah, AB and all the draft picks that we're gonna get, all 20 draft picks that we're gonna get this year. That's all we need. Instant champions. Scope, JJ Barea, Scope Prism. Silver of LaMarcus Aldridge. And Thaddeus Young, tie-dye Prism, 22 out of 25 throwback patch for the Sixers. Thaddeus Young, Ron in the Sixers. Second hit for Sixers. Khalil Mack. Nobody needs that scrub. Come on now. Khalil Mack. That's old news. Kawhi Leonard to number to 75 for the Raptors. 14 out of 75. And wow, white prism, Marvin Bagley. Nice white prism going out to the Kings. White prism parallel, Sacramento. 54-149. Last I checked, Khalil Mack didn't help the Bears get to the Super Bowl, did he? Blue prism, Tristan Thompson to 299. Tricolor, Yusuf Nurkic. Phenomenon silver, Moritz Wagner. That's to 99 for the Lakers, 32.99. And Courtney Lee jersey for the New York Knicks. X Factor. Oh, I'd no doubt be happy that one of them won, but if one of them won, the other one didn't. That's a tough parlay. Tough one. When I could have, and I would have been like, if I would just did them individually. All right, let's do some Chronicles. 17-18 Chronicles. He's signing. Or at least they've been using him as a sticker, actually. Yeah. I don't think he's been signing this year, actually, no. But they've been using his stickers that they had from last year to put him in certain products. All right, Frank Mason, rookie jersey auto, 16 of 99 for the Kings. Frank Mason, rookie jersey auto. First hit out of Chronicles. It's going to get Kings on the board. Knicks, by the way, is B-Paul. I don't know if I said that. Kings is S-Cod on the board. That's a 7 of 99 Jason Tatum, rookie parallel, 7 out of 99. Brilliance, Caleb Swanigan, rookie parallel to 149 for the Blazers. We got a 299 Ken Bazemore and Kobe jersey for the Lakers, 86 to 199 Kobe Bryant. Jersey relic for LA. Lakers A Pastor. $199 Jason Tatum. DJ Wilson to 199 blue. Red to 299 LeBron. And an OG on a newbie rookie jersey auto for the Raptors. 15 out of 199 OG on a newbie, who's been a beast this year for the Raptors. On a newbie. Raptors and Brown O'Brien. On a newbie. To 249 Jarrett Allen. This is a Rafael Nader to 299 for the Celtics. And purple, 7 out of 99 Bradley Beal, purple parallel for the Wizards. All right, let's get in another select here. Alright, third box of select. Coming at you. Gold. Bam. Cavaliers. Courtside Sexton. Rookie gold for Cleveland and John Bizzo. 8 out of 10. Congrats, John. Second gold of this half case out of select. That courtside gold though. That's nice. Tricolor Embiid and Jerome Robinson. Silver Kawhi. Silver Dante DiVincenzo. And Sharif Abdul-Rahim vet auto for the Hawks in flight. 45/199 in flight. Sharif. That's Hawks and Dankin. Luka Silver going on to Dallas. First Lulu sighting of the break. Scope Prism of Andre Iguodala. $2.99 James Harden. Scope Prism of Draymond. And vet auto Brian Reeves for the Vancouver Grizzlies. 25/199 Grizzlies on the board. Memphis and John B. Brian Reeves, 25/199. JJ Barea, a Dwayne Wade neon green. 62/75. Blue Prism Andrew Wiggins. 87/249. And rookie jersey of Chandler Hutchinson for the Bulls. Chandler Hutchinson. The Bulls. A Pastor. All right, let's get into some Optic Fast Break 17/18. Good luck. Alrighty then. Got right on the auto. Derek White, rated rookie. Derek White, fast break off for the San Antonio Spurs. Spurs and Leach. San Antonio on the board. Derek White, rated rookie. Fast break rookie auto. Orange Terrence Ross to 195 or 193 for the Magic. Purple Dwayne Wade when he's on the Cavs. to 155, purple. Red rookie fast break Justin Jackson. A orange to 193 Chris Paul. Victor Oladipo backwards card for no reason. Alright, that's going to close out fast breaks. So Derek White was a rookie auto out of that one. Alright, fourth box of Select. Alright, do Optic next. Blue Mike Conley Prism to 249 die cut. Silver Mike Conley, silver Buddy Hield. An auto of Jalen Rose for the Pacers, 18 of 199 in flight. Jalen Rose auto for Indiana and Fong. In flight 6. One of one. Black Prism Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz. Congrats, Utah and John B with the parallels tonight. Black Prism Donovan Mitchell. Okay. Sick. That's my first Black Prism out of Select this year. And redemption on the auto. This one is for the Jazz. Neon Green Prism also for the Jazz. Jazz box. Jazz hot box. John B. Joe Ingles. It's a neon green auto. Tricolor, Monte Morris. Dennis Smith purple to 99 die cut. Red to 199 Zaire Smith, Sixers. Eli Okubo rookie jersey for the Phoenix Suns. Eli Okubo Suns. John. Tricolor LeBron James. Tricolor Steph. Scope of Lonzo Ball. Scope Prism. And that's going to have the fourth box of Select. Man, all the Select boxes have been fired. Alright, let's do that Optic like I was saying. Optic. One of the last few boxes we have left of Optic. Right here. Oh, nice vet auto there. Kevin Herter, Raider rookie refractor. Here's an orange Raider rookie refractor, Eli Okubo, and a 199 for the Phoenix Suns. That Suns orange. Silver Rajon Rondo. Here's a black velocity Jared Allen for the Brooklyn Nets. 24 out of 39, black velocity. Take off Russell Westbrook silver, Paul George silver. Take off Russell Westbrook. And here is a lime green to 149 of Joe Ingles for the Jazz. And nice vet auto for the Rockets. Dominator, 8 of 25. Chris Paul going out to the Rockets. Houston Rockets is YU. Chris Paul CP3 auto. Red Terrence Ross to 99 for the Magic. T. Ross. Silver Drew Holiday and Anthony Simmons and out the optic. Nice vet auto of the optic. All right, let's do another select now. Getting close to the big boys. White Prism Yusuf Nurkic to 149 for Portland. Tricolor Zanan Musa, Giannis Antetokounmpo silver. Tricolor Devontae Graham. There's a Luka base. Rookie Luka base. Bruce Brown vet auto for the Spurs, 197 to 199. San Antonio. Spurs and Leach. Bruce Brown. I keep saying Brown. Bowen. Bruce Bowen. NBA champion right there, Bruce Bowen. Silver Eli Okubo, rookie Zaire Smith to 175. Scope Andre Iguodala. Here's a Jaylen Brown jersey for the Boston Celtics and David. All right, see you, dude.
Yeah. I think I may be in tomorrow as well.
Okay, cool. Celtics and David on the board. Scope AD. Silver KD and a Bagley Sparks insert rookie jersey, Marvin Bagley. Photo Kings. Scott Kings. Blue Prism rookie to a 299, Anthony Simmons for the Blazers. Blue Prism Wesley Matthews, number 249. Oh, that's base Luka. Yeah, base Luka. Top of that for Mavericks. That was the 5th select box of the break. Let's go ahead and do the Prism Hobby now. Prism Hobby, then we get down to the big boys. Big boys, big boys. Good luck. Well, at least I know that the Black Prism Luka is still out there somewhere. The regular Black Prism from Hobby. Nobody's hit that one yet, so there's still a chance to hit one of the Holy Grail Lukas. And we still got plenty of Prism cases in stock too to do that. All right, start off with the Red Wave Marvin Williams. Silver Prism Rookie Mo Bamba. Silver Prism Rookie Mo Bamba for the Magic. Bamba. Ooh, blue ice, blue ice, blue ice. Let's get a rookie blue ice one time. It is a rookie, and it is Landry Shamet. Ooh, my heart almost stopped right there. That had that Maverick blue to it. Landry Shamet, congrats Sixers. Nice blue crack ice. 99/99. Last one stamped. I've hit 2 of those blue crack ice Lucas though in the past 3 months. 2 of them. So red prism Jeremy Lin to 299. Orange Jonas Valanciunas for the Raptors. 40/49 orange. Silver rookie number 2 Jared Vanderbilt. Jared Vanderbilt. Silver rookie prism for the Nuggets. And a Arcade base Jap auto for the Minnesota T-Wolves. Sensational. Let's put Timberwolves on board. Zach M. Arcade base Jap. Okay. Silver rookie Billy Preston. 3rd silver rookie in the box. Red Wave Pascal Siakam. Blue Prism to 199 Alec Burks for the Jazz. Red Wave Kevin Huerter for the Hawks. Silver Prism rookie number 4 in the box, Anthony Simmons. 4th rookie silver in the box. Going out to the Blazers. Red Wave Brandon Ingram. It's a hyper of Yusuf Nurkic. Silver Prism Jeff Teague. Red Wave Taj Gibson. Here's an auto of Kevin Huerter for the Hawks. Kevin Huerter. Hawks with the rookie auto. Hawks Denkin. Sensational. Luka, base rookie. Silver Kobe and a hyper Gorgie Jang. Gorgie Jang. Chopping gang. Chop, 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 chop. Alright, down to it. Let's do one of those Leaf best stuff. We got 2 of them. Good luck. 1 buyback and 1 Leaf original. Let's get a big one. Here we go. What the hell? Steph Curry, original Leaf, original base card. And Marks of Excellence auto UCLA coach John Wooden. Graded BGS mint 9. That is about the funniest hit I've ever got out of Leaf. Any Leaf basketball. John Wooden. Marks of Excellent. This is from 2006-7 Topps. Marks of Excellent. John Wooden, UCLA coach auto. BGS graded mint 9. And I don't think you ever taught at the pro level, right? So let me double check that. John Wooden. John Wooden, not Gruden. Just kidding. Oh, wow. Yep, just a UCLA and Indiana State collegiate coach. Never coached for pros, never played in the pros, so that'll be random through everybody at the end of the break. John Wooden. From looking it up on eBay, it looks like it's at least like a maybe $80 to $100 card right there on the John Wooden, somewhere around there. All right, Interesting first box of Leaf, I guess. We'll randomize that to everybody at the end of the break. All right, let's do the last. Actually, I'm going to save the last select real quick. Let's do some 17-18 Spectra. Do some 17-18 Spectra. All right, let's start with a pink prisms. Got some thick ones at the bottom of this stack. Nikola Vucevic, blue prism base, 83 of 99. Vucevic. Lou Williams base for the Clippers. Then we have a LaMarcus Aldridge green prism base card for the Spurs, 44 of 49. Have a orange Julius jersey, 29 of 99 jumbo jersey for the Los Angeles Lakers. Still a Laker in 17-18. Like showing a pastor. Kelly Tripucka jersey, veteran jersey to 149 for the Pistons. Pistons in Evan. Tripucka jersey, epic. And Catalyst jersey for the Lakers to 199 of Brooke Lopez. Catalyst, Brooke Lopez. A pastor. Then we got a rookie jersey auto for the Timberwolves, 250 out of 299. Rookie jersey auto of Justin Patton from Minnesota, and Zach. 229 rookie jersey auto. In the zone, thick cardstock auto of veteran Alden Campbell for the Lakers, 16 out of 35. 16 out of 35 for the Lake Show. Two dummy cards. And this is a combo team, probably the best hit you can get for the team. Congrats, Evan. This is the guy you are looking for when you get this team, and hope for when you get this team. 7 out of 25 on card, Anthony Davis, pink prisms. One of the best players in the league right now. Congrats, Evan. Thunder Pelicans combo. That is the guy you're looking for when you get the Pelicans. 80, and it's on card, pink prism. 7 out of 25 on card. Very nice. AD. All right, that was a nice box of Spectra. Let's do the last select now. Last select. Where will AD go next year? My guess is Boston. And there's going to be literally nobody to collect on the Pelicans. It's going to be weird. Unless Celtics trade Jason Tatum, which I don't think they will. But if they trade Jason Tatum, then I guess you could collect. Tatum will be one of the guys to collect on the Pelicans for the following years. I would hope the Celtics don't trade Tatum, but we'll see. I guess at this point in their careers, though, I would take 80 over Tatum, but Tatum got some huge upside to him. Silver Shai Gilgeous, silver rookie Shai Gilgeous for the Clippers. Silver D'Angelo Russell, and Sparks rookie jersey for the Bulls of Wendell Carter. Sparks Wendell Carter Jr. Chicago Bulls, a pastor. Purple Goran Dragic to 99 for the Heat. Purple Prism. Red Prism Rudy Gay to 199 for the Spurs. Tricolor rookie of Colin Sexton. Cleveland Cavaliers. Alright, you got a Scope Prism of Harrison Barnes. Tricolor CJ McCollum. And courtside bronze Trey Burke for the Knicks. 35 out of 60 courtside. Tricolor Taj Gibson. And Celtics with the 55.99 Jaylen Brown. Purple Prism jersey of Jaylen Brown. Celtics David. All right. Auto Larry Nance Jr. veteran for the Suns. 191 to 199 in flight. Larry Nance Sr., not Jr. Suns John B. Silver Miles Bridges, 299 Prism of Kyrie Irving, blue. And silver Mo Wagner to end out the last box of Select. Select did pretty good for us. All right, let's do that choice prism. You guys don't know. Once again, Nebula Prism 101s out of choice are one of the hottest parallels right now. Everybody's talking about them. And the biggest Nebula 101 Prism was probably pulled today by Leighton. He pulled the Luka Doncic 101 Nebula Prism. So that one's gone. All right, here we go. We got two silvers. We got a Markieff Morris and Tyler Johnson. Silver prisms. And choice exclusive rookie auto. Very nice. Congrats, Bulls. Wendell Carter Jr. Red Scope choice prism exclusive. So you only get this parallel in choice. Congrats, Bulls. A Pastor with the Wendell Carter. All right, and these are SP right here. SP Tiger Stripes. Zebra Prism. Not Zebra. Tiger Prisms. Zaza Pachulia for the Pistons. Not numbered, but they are SP. Zaza Pachulia for the Pistons. Got him in a Warriors uni, but go by the card name. Pistons. And here's a Red Scope Frank Kaminsky. Red Scope Prism base. 63 out of 88. And 3 candy canes followed, so no Nebula this time. Ooh, nice. That is a candy cane rookie of Marvin Bagley for the Sacramento Kings. Secured bag. Sacramento. All right, here we go. Flawless to Immaculate, Supreme Hardcore, Leaf Best of, and Impeccable. Now, just which way should we go is the question. Let's do 16, 17 Immaculate first. I'll do that one first here. Come on, Ben Simmons base. One time for Ron. Ben Simmons rookie base. All right, we got a Sapphire base, Karl Anthony Towns. 29 of 35, Sapphire Cat. Base card Cat for the T-Wolves. Jumbo jersey for the Knicks, Kristaps Porzingis, 87.99. Knicks and B. Paul. Zinger jersey. All right, then we have a double jersey for the Lakers, rookie double jersey of Vika Zubac, 39 of 99 for the Lake Show. Zubac. Modern Marks auto going out to the Portland Trailblazers of Evan Turner, 26 of 99 for the Blazers. Evan Turner auto. Portland Trailblazers. Blazers Bakuya. All right, and a shadow box acetate auto veteran Adrian Dantley, 9 out of 75 shadow box auto of Adrian Dantley. That's Buffalo Braves, which turn into the Los Angeles Clippers. So Clippers gonna get on the board right there. Mossy Bay with the Clippers. Shadow box auto, and we're gonna end with the Modern Marks Kristaps Porzingis auto for the New York Knicks. 8 of 99. Congrats, Knicks. B. Paul Knicks. Kristaps Porzingis. All right, good choice to try that. Go with the 16-17 IMAC first. All right, let's do the. I'm gonna do the Supreme Hardcore next. Let's get that one down. Leave best up and impeccable. All right, good luck. Chance at Jordan and LeBron and Ben Simmons. Good luck, good luck. Last week you pulled a Michael Jordan quad jersey out of this stuff. Supreme Hardcourt 16-17. Good luck. Box 1. All right, box 1. Let's see what we got. If I can get this open. Freaking never had trouble opening this before. All right, box number 1. I already saw it. This look like a Showtime. Yep, Magic Johnson Showtime auto for the Lakers. Congrats, Lakers, and A Passer. MJ, Magic Johnson, the other MJ. Once again, these are made from actual hardcore pieces from the Charlotte Bobcats. NBA game used floor from Upper Deck authenticated. Piece of Charlotte Bobcats authentic game used floor has been certified to Upper Decks, having been used during the 2005 to 2013 seasons. All right, and that's how Upper Deck got past the NBA license, because they don't have the NBA license, but they're able to make NBA license memorabilia products. World's greatest memorabilia. That's a passer. Nice MJ, Magic Johnson. Let me put them over here. Second box. Number 2, we have base of Clyde the Glide going out to the Houston Rockets. 40 out of 65, Clyde Drexler. Base card made from the same hardwood pieces. Hardwood floor. All right, congrats Rockets on that one. Next up, let's do the Leaf Best of. Last Leaf Best of. Let's get something other than a John Wooden. Second box Leaf Best of. All right, Magic Johnson is your Leaf original. And Blue Prism rookie jersey auto going out to the Jazz. Donovan Mitchell, so the guy that we didn't hit in the Spectra earlier. Got him here. And these are, he was actually a redemption, so they're live now. 48 of 99 going out to Utah Jazz. Congrats, John B. Rookie patch auto Blue Prisms from 17-18 Spectra. 48 out of 99. Nice hit. All right, let's do the impeccable 18-19. Good luck. And it's been sitting there. It's been sitting there. This is the one with the metal. Good luck. Case hit in this one. Either gold or silver piece. Impeccable 18-19. Good luck. We got a base card 39-49. Dion Waiters. Base of Klay Thompson. 96 of 99 for the Warriors. Joel Embiid base. Gold parallel 29 out of 35. Joel Embiid. Sixers. Veteran auto Jamal Mashburn for the Dallas Mavericks. 19 of 99. Let's get Mavericks on board. A Pastor. Dallas. And vet auto for the Boston Celtics. Gerald Henderson Sr. Impeccable victory signatures. Going on to Celtics. And David. And also for David, back-to-back vet auto Robert Parrish victory signatures. 47 out of 49. Back-to-back old school Celtics hits. All right, then we got a true Elegance rookie patch auto. This one is a Kata base Jop for the Timberwolves. 76 out of 99. 3 colors on the patch. True rookie patch auto. Impeccable RPA. T-Wolves and Zach. And second true rookie patch auto. This one is a Landry Shamet for Ron and the Sixers. 6 of 99. 3 colors on the patch as well. Shamet RPA for the Sixers and Ron. All right, and here we go. Case hit. 1 per case, per 3-box case metal card. Look, everybody. This one is going to go out to rookie Colin Sexton for the Cleveland Cavaliers. To go with that gold prism from earlier. Congrats, Cavs. 9 out of 22. That's John with the Cavaliers. Very nice. Nice John. 2 nice Sexton hits. All right, 17-18 Immaculate before we get to the main event Flawless Collegiate. 17-18 Immaculate. Good luck. And then I'll do a recap for you guys after the Flawless box. Oh, after we randomize for the John Wooden. Forgot about him. John Wooden. All right, this box we start with a Avery Bradley base card, 21 out of 75 for the Clippers. Avery Bradley. All right, and then a jumbo jersey of Corey Brewer, 19 of 99. This is from the Chinese New Year game versus the Hawks. Going on to the Rockets. Ooh, this is actually really nice. This is an acetate jumbo rookie patch coming up. Acetate jumbo rookie patch. Lauri Markkanen for the Bulls, 16 of 25. Check out my rookie patches. Acetate patch. Going on to Chicago Bulls and A Pastor. Lauri rookie. Here's a true rookie patch auto. Chinese red parallel of Frank Jackson for the Pelicans. 6 out of 25. True rookie patch auto red parallel Frank Jackson for the Pelicans. Pelicans, Evan. And a premium rookie patch auto, Dylan Brooks, 1 out of 10 gold parallel for the Grizzlies. Premium rookie patch auto, gold parallel for Memphis and John B. Dylan Brooks. And true rookie patch auto vertical going out to the Blazers, 13 of 99, Zach Collins. 2 colors on the patch, Zach Collins. Blazers and Bakuya. So 3 RPAs in that one. All right, that was 17-18. Here we go. Last box of the break. Good luck, all. Last box. Flawless. All right, let's pray right now. Please do not be a college-themed briefcase. Please. Damn it. Well, only a couple teams is going to enjoy this one. UK flawless-themed briefcase. I jinxed this. Sorry, I should have knocked on wood, guys. So if you have a player, top rookie that played for Kentucky, you may be happy with what's in here. For every other team, sorry. UK themed briefcase. What the heck? I hate these themed briefcases. So bad. Alright. Good luck to the Timberwolves, Clippers. Who else is in here? Suns. All right, since this is once again, since this is a collegiate product, it'll go to whatever team they were assigned to. So retired players, it would go to the team they played the most games for in the career. So people are not currently active in the NBA. The retired players, veterans, Hall of Famers, they'll go to the teams they played the most games for their career. And any active player and rookies will go to the team that they're currently signed to right now, as of today. All right, so this one is a Eric Bledsoe. I believe that's for the Bucks. 8 out of 25. I'll double check. Eric Bledsoe, collegiate auto. Should be going down to the Milwaukee Bucks. The business. I'll double check all these guys. Eric Bledsoe is Bucks. Yeah, that's D-Bout with the Bucks. As soon as I saw that blue, dude. Cliff Hagan, 2 out of 5. Emerald green auto, Cliff Hagan. And Hagan should be going out to the Hawks. I'll double check him. That should be ATL Hawks on the Hagan. Retired veteran Hagan. Basketball reference. Yep, played the most games for his career with the Hawks. So Hawks Dankin getting that one. All right, this one should be the Nuggets. Dan Issel, 17 of 25. Flawless collegiate auto of Dan Issel. Veteran auto. Should be Nuggets on that one. Nuggets will be splash if it's an Issel. Yep, Denver Nuggets going to get that one. Splash with the Nuggets. Here's a double diamond patch auto of Jamal Mashburn. 17 out of 20, Jamal Mashburn. And Mashburn, I believe, is for Hornets. So double check that one. Jamal Mashburn. Mashburn played the most games over his career for, actually, the Dallas Mavericks. Jamal Mashburn is going out to the Dallas Mavericks in A-Pastor. All right, then we got a rookie patch auto of Jared Vanderbilt, 21 out of 25. Jared Vanderbilt, that's for the Nuggets. Nuggets and splash. Jared Vanderbilt, rookie patch auto collegiate. All right, rookie patch auto collegiate. Hamidou Diallo, that's a slam dunk champion. That's going out to the Thunder. Hamadou Diallo. Evan with the Thunder. Collegiate rookie patch auto 12 out of 75. Sapphire Parallel on-card auto collegiate of Karl Anthony Towns. Going out to the Minnesota Timberwolves, of course. 4 out of 15. Cat. T-Wolves and Zach. Rookie patch auto Wenyen Gabriel. I believe I looked them up last time. I think that's the Kings, but I'll double check. 7 of 25 Wenyen Gabriel, associated with the Kings only this season. I'll double check him though. Wenyen Gabriel. Gabriel. Yep, Kings associated only with the Kings this year. So that's going to S-Cod. And no surprise here, RPA to end out the box. Shai Gilgeous for the LA Clippers and Masabe Clippers. Shai Gilgeous collegiate rookie patch auto 4 out of 25. Might be getting another Shai Gilgeous inside the briefcase too. Knicks have a high potential of hitting a Kevin Knox as well. All right, here we go. Going inside for the main 3 hits. At least with next year's Flawless Collegiate, we can look forward to Duke boxes. But yeah, I'm just gonna open it up and check it out. Yep, the 2 guys I just said. Flawless Encased rookie Kevin Knox, 6 out of 20 diamond. Kevin Knox for the New York Knicks. Congrats, Knicks and B. Paul. Flawless Collegiate Encased diamond Shai Gilgeous for the LA Clippers. 8 out of 20 Shai Gilgeous. Congrats, Clippers. Masa Bay. And rookie patch auto encased Kevin Knox for the New York Knicks. 12 out of 25. Kentucky boys are in the building. Knicks and B. Paul. Congrats, Knicks and Clippers, I guess, in that last briefcase. All right, and that will close it out, everybody. That was our NBA 20 Box Flawless Sonic Boom Mixer random teams on Saturday, March 9, 2019. That was the last break of the night. Before we let you guys go, though, we're going to go ahead and randomize the John Wooden to everybody. Like I said, I looked it up. It's probably like a $80 to $100, $75 to $100 card right here. BJ's graded mint 9. Let's go ahead and randomize all teams, all 26 teams. We're going to go 6 times in the random like we did for your spots originally. The top team after 6 randoms will get the John Wooden BGS graded card. Fill up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good luck. Lakers will get the John Wooden. LA Lakers. John Wooden. 6 times in the random. Lakers. Alright, so Lakers was A Pastor. Get the John Wooden BGS. Alright, that was the break, guys. All cards will ship. You get all your base, all your parallels, and of course all your hits. I will be doing a separate hit recap video next. Appreciate it as always. There were actually 2 people that went hitless in this one. I will send out some hitless credits to those 2 teams. Appreciate it, folks. Take care. Good night. Got some more basketball tomorrow. Select and